Students, in this video, we have to understand about the electric potential due to electric dipole. So firstly, we have to draw the diagram of electric dipole. So listen here, electric dipole is made of two charges, equal and opposite. So here, plus q charge is there and minus q charge is there. Two charges. This is the system of two charges, and these two charges separated by 2L, and this distance is called dipole length. And now we have to understand first the equatorial or the broadside on position. So draw a bisector of electric dipole AB. This is the bisector. So if this distance is 2L, then this will be L and this will also be L. This line is called equatorial or bisector, equatorial line. Okay, or this side is also called broadside position. So we take a point P on the equatorial line. This is P. So we have to join this line from point B, and also we have to join this point from A. Okay, A. Now we have to find the electric potential at point P due to plus Q charge. So what will be this? Before that, let the distance of P from the midpoint is R. This is distance of point P from midpoint. Now the potential at this point due to plus Q charge will be V1 equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught plus Q upon distance BP. Distance BP. This is the equation first. Now, what is the value of BP? The value of BP, you know, this is the right angle triangle, this is also a right angle triangle, and this is the hypotenuse of this triangle, and this is the base of this triangle, and this is the perpendicular of this triangle. So, in the right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, this will be the square of hypotenuse equal the square of perpendicular OP and the square of base OB, or OP equal R square and BP equal L. So L square, it will be equal BP square, or BP will be equal root of R square plus L square. That's why this distance will be R square plus L square. Okay, and this also will be R square plus L square, because this is the bisector L. So this AP will also be BP. Now, and the electric potential at that point from from A due to minus Q charge will be V2 equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K. Here we can also write K, where K is the dielectric constant of the medium where this electric dipole is placed. Okay, now minus Q upon distance of P from A will be AP. Okay, this is equation second. Okay, now the total, we have to find the total electric potential due to electric dipole at that point. Okay, so the total electric dipole or the resultant electric dipole will be V equal to the algebraic sum of V1 and V2. What is the algebraic sum? Algebraic sum means, you know, V1 is the potential, and we know that the potential is the scalar quantity, so V2 will also be scalar quantity. So to find the sum of the two scalar quantity, here algebraic addition is applied. So the total electric potential at that point will be V1 plus V2, or algebraic sum of V1 and V2. This is the equivalent potential. On putting the value of V1 and V2 from equation 1 and 2, V1 will be equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K plus Q upon Bp and plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon AP. On taking common Q up, no, not common, you know, AP equal BP. How? Because OA and OB are equal. Okay, now OP for this triangle and OP for this triangle, this OP is common for both triangles, so this is equal for both. That's why AP will be equal to BP. Okay, these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay, now that's why V will be equal 0, because this value and this value are equal. That's why total V will be equal 0. Why? This is negative sign and this is of positive sign, so V will be equal to 0. Okay, clear? Thanks.